I'm not a doctor, I try to help, but I'm not an expert. Hello, I'm the mental illness patron. Let's talk about medication today. I find it common when seeing people talking about mental illness, be it YouTube or online forums, they will say they take medications to feel normal. I saw someone on the depression subreddit say they look at it as being balanced instead of being normal. I couldn't agree more. Then again, I'm not even sure what normal is. I just don't like the idea of people suffering from mental illness or any disease thinking they're not normal. Over the years, I've been on many different medications. This is the point of the script where I stopped to look for a document with all the different medications and what side effects I had from them. I can't find it, and now I'm worried. This list is to help me tell doctors what medications don't work. I didn't look for the list to tell you which medications I was on, but it was to see how many different ones I've taken. Plus, I don't want to say what meds I've taken because it might give you the wrong idea for the medication. I'll give you one example. Zoloft didn't work for me, but I know of it working for many people. I don't want anyone avoiding a medication just because it didn't work for me. You really need a doctor's opinion on the matter. Now I have to estimate to 20 different medications for mental illness since the year 2008. Going to the doctors and therapy have been a part of my lifestyle since that year. Meds not working and giving me side effects. Side effects included being tired all the time, getting aggravated easily, headaches, but the worst side effect was that some meds would make me not able to ejaculate. I could get erect, but no finish. I know that sounds weird that it was the worst side effect, but I was in a relationship at the time. We both liked to have sex, and when I couldn't ejaculate, it's horrible. I gotta give it to my girlfriend at the time, though, because she tried and tried to get me to the point. Sometimes we were successful after having sex for over an hour or two, but sometimes it just wouldn't happen. She would be using her hands near the end, and it's tiring, but she kept trying. She probably would have became really buff if I never changed medications. I can't believe I just wrote that, but whatever. I notice I never write sex stories where I come out on top with my partner. Pun intended. Remind me never to write romance novels. I just feel like this is somewhat common, but I never see anyone talking about it. It has to be said. I'm sick of mental illness being such a stigma. So that's my short story about my side effect and medications. There's a lot more where that came from, but it should also be mentioned that there are medications that have helped. Thanks for listening. Please don't ask me for medication advice, but if you'd like to share your story in the comments, that's perfectly fine. Please subscribe for more mental illness videos.